everyone, Patel, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken burrito. And the ingredient that you're going to need for this recipe are burrito seasoning, some flour tortilla, okay, Thai chicken, oil, black pepper, okay, and salt. These are kidney beans. These are refried bean. Okay, these are brown rice, and the one that I use looks like this. Okay, if you get the there's many kinds, but don't get the shiny one. This one, it's more soft and it just tastes better. Okay. If you don't like brown rice, you can put white rice. Okay, and you're going to need avocado, romaine lettuce, cilantro. If you like some, you want it kind of hot, you know, some kick, then you can add some chili, okay, or pepper like this. Lemon, garlic, onion. You could use yellow onion, whatever onion you like. Okay, white onion, purple onion, and the sauce that you're going to use for to go with it was salsa or this hot sauce. Okay. Okay, let's go and crack the vegetable. This you're going to cut them into bite size. Gotta have like that. More smaller. Onion like this. Okay. This pepper is hot, so if you don't like hot, you don't put in, okay? But if you like hot, you can add, you can handle the hot, you can add some of this, okay? Cut the avocado. Yeah. You can use spoon. Just do the easy way. You can go lazy way. A little bit lemon so they won't turn brown. Okay, make sure you put lemon or lime. Okay, and then let's chop this cilantro. About the tomato, so here's a tomato. You're gonna need some of this to make more taste. It's tasty, okay? Let's mix this and let it sit aside. Okay, let's go and cut the chicken, okay? But first, you're gonna get some garlic ready. Again. You can use garlic powder if you don't have fresh garlic. Okay, so okay, so let's debone the chicken. If you don't like chicken thigh, you could use chicken breast. Okay, I just like chicken thigh because they're more they're just not that dry. This is how you debone. Okay, take out the bone. This. I'm gonna slide this way. Okay, let's go and stir fry the chicken. Garlic, heat. I'm gonna put some oil, a little bit only. Okay, it's ready. The oil is now. Let's put the garlic. put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Okay, when it's brown and when it's golden brown like this, it's ready, okay? Let's turn on the stove and remove the bowl. Remove the oil. Oil out. Just a little bit. Okay. Now turn back on the stove and let's fry the bean. First, you need to drain this out. Okay. Drain this out. The burrito seasoning. Turn the heat a bit high. You have to stir it gently so you don't smash all the beans, okay? Stir till they all combine. Alright, it takes about 2 minutes. It should be done. Okay, we're going to stop the burrito tortilla, okay? If you don't like it, you don't have to, but I just like it more this way. Turn on the stove. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. Don't put too much. Like that. Show you brown like this. Okay, let's roll the burrito. One sheet of tortilla, some brown rice, beans, chicken, vegetable. Okay, it's done. So let's try the chicken burritos. It's really good. Chicken burrito. That's it for today. We'll see you next time. Okay, bye.